Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal to your iPhone wallet. First, ensure you have the official PayPal app installed on your device and are logged into your account. Once inside the app, locate the Wallet or Settings tab, usually found at the bottom or top right. From there, you'll search for a clear option that says Add to Apple Wallet or Link to Apple Pay. This is the crucial first step to integrating your PayPal account for seamless payments. The primary method for integrating PayPal with your iPhone wallet involves linking your PayPal Debit MasterCard. If you do not have one, you might need to apply for it through the PayPal app or website. Once you select this option, the app will guide you through confirming your card details. You will then authorize the addition, which securely transfers your card information to your Apple Wallet, making it ready for use in stores and online. After completing the steps in the PayPal app, open your iPhone's native wallet app. You should now see your PayPal Debit MasterCard listed among your other cards. Take a moment to verify the details, and if you wish, set it as your default payment method for quick access. Remember, when you use this card through Apple Pay, it draws funds directly from your PayPal balance or your linked bank account, offering a convenient way to spend. Here are some important tips for using PayPal with your iPhone wallet. Always ensure your PayPal account has sufficient funds or is linked to a reliable bank account to avoid transaction declines. You can use Apple Pay with your PayPal card at millions of merchants worldwide that accept contactless payments. Look for the Apple Pay or contactless symbol at checkout. This integration streamlines your spending, making your PayPal funds readily accessible through your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.